Namaste, my dear students and teachers. So today I'm back with one more method of solving capital adjustment problem. In the previous question, you have seen that I have solved problem number 16 by using the current account for new partners goodwill. So now in this problem, I will be adjusting the goodwill by using the capital account. So if we do like that, then how the problem, how the solution looks like, let us see. So this was the revaluation account. You know, I don't spend much time because you're already aware of this. Next. Now here, before you start solving, you need to remember few things. The first one is goodwill valued should be compulsorily written off, because in the problem it is just mentioned that it is valued. Then whenever it is valued, it should be compulsorily written off. Then in case of capital adjustment, goodwill adjustment should be made through new partners capital account. This is the assumption what we are making. And remember, I spoke to many members of the board. What they are saying is this is the most appropriate method. So let us follow the same method. So under this, the first what I'm doing is working note number one, that is calculation of Shiva's share of goodwill and old partner share in that. So the working note remains same. The Shiva share will be 16,000 into 1 by 6, that is 2,667. And when we calculate the sacrifice ratio, you come to know that the Gauri has not sacrificed anything and the entire share is sacrificed by Ganesh. At that time, the entire goodwill will be given, the goodwill amount will be received by Ganesh only. So here the Ganesh share is 2,667. So for this, we pass the universal journal entry, that is gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing. You know that on the admission, the new partner will gain the profits sharing profit share. So his account is debited and the one who has sacrificed, that is Ganesh, has been credited here. Now, coming to the calculation of capitals as per new profit sharing ratio. For that reason, I should take you to first Shiva's capital account, who is new partner. We know that he has brought a capital of rupees 25,000. So I have taken by cash 25,000. Here we have not added goodwill because goodwill is not brought in cash. And you just now we saw that we have Shiva's capital account should be debited with his goodwill. So his goodwill has been completely given to Ganesh. So first I write to Ganesh capital account 2,667. Due to this, the capital balance which is available with me is 22,333, which will be used for the calculation of new capitals, that is as per new profit sharing ratio. So now by using this, let me calculate the capital balances. So calculation of capitals as per new profit sharing ratio, taking Shiva's capital as base. We know that Shiva's share is 1 by 6 and his capital is 25,000. But now what I will do is I will make a change here. Now his effective capital, I just wanted to make you aware of this. That will be 25,000 minus 2,667, which will be equal to 22,333. The exact figure will be 2,333.33. So that's why while calculating the total capital, I have considered that, because it will give you a round figure of 1,34,000. So that's why I have considered total capital. For total capital, I have considered Shiva's capital as 22,333.33 into 6 by 1. So when you make it exactly, you will get 1,34,000. Then out of that, Ganesh share will be 1,34,000 into 3 by 6. That is the new profit sharing ratio. So it will be 67,000. And Ganesh capital will be 1,34,000 into 2 by 6, which will be 44,667. So once you finish this, you need to go to partners capital account. See, in the partners capital account, we have written two balance carried down as 67,000 and 46,667. But before that, I like to tell you that this is the opening balance of the capital as per balance sheet, that is by balance brought down. Then by general reserve, we share the reserve in equally because the ratio is equal. Then I have taken revaluation profit, and this is share of goodwill. Earlier when I solved as per the current account, I took it as Shiva's current account. Now it will be Shiva's capital account because we are adjusting through capital account. So then it will be by cash. Like when you write the balance carried down, see, if you remove this 550, you come to know that there is a shortage of 550. That 550 will be brought by Mr. Ganesh. And here there is a deficiency of 16,450 which will be brought by Gauri. You will come to know about this only when you make the total. Okay. So now after doing all these things, see, if you remove this, you will come to know there is a difference of 16,450. So once you finish this, you need to go to the balance sheet. The balance sheet also remains same, only few changes will be there. The current account will be eliminated because as it is not there. And then in the capital accounts, we can see the changed figures. Earlier it was some 75 something was there, but now we have kept the original figures what are as per the old partners capital account. And here the current account has been removed, and in the cash you can see the change what I have made is 550 is added and 16,450 is deducted. Here by mistake it is minus, it is plus. Now I have changed it to minus. You can see I have deducted it in the total. So now it will be 16,100, and rest all you know how to take. So which will give you a total of rupees 1,60,000. Hoping that you have understood this, and if you have any doubt, you can post in the comment box. Thank you very much. Remember, both the methods are right, whether you do it through current account or capital account, but the most suggested is do it through the capital account, even though you get in points, but still it is the right method. Thank you very much.